Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Nest Cam footage using Google Takeout. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Nest Cam footage using Google Takeout, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Google Takeout website at takeout.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of Google services. Scroll down to find Nest. By default, all services are selected. Click on Deselect All to unselect everything. Now scroll back down and check the box next to Nest. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Select your preferred delivery method. You can choose to receive a download link via email or have your data added to a cloud storage service. Next, choose the file type and size for your backup. You can leave the file type set to .zip for ease of use. For the file size, choose something that suits your needs. After making your selections, click on Create Export. Google will begin preparing your data. This process may take some time, depending on the amount of footage. Once your export is ready, you will receive a notification. Return to the Google Takeout page to download your footage. Click on the download link provided. The file will begin downloading to your device. Once it has finished downloading, locate the file on your device. You can now access your Nest Cam footage offline. It's a good idea to keep a backup in a safe location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.